So here's the example of the Kuryakyn unit. The Kuryakyn slips right over the top here and at the bottom, just like this. There's then a couple screws that go up from the bottom, attaching this to the control box housing. Here on this side, the installation consists of 2 housings, 1/2 each, 3 screws, and an Allen key, and that's all you really need. So here we're going to slip the housing over the top. We're then going to align the housing on the bottom and insert our screws. Now in this particular application, I like to tighten these front 2 down before I completely tighten the back. That way I make sure this front seam seals nice, and then the back side just tightens things up. Awesome, look at that. Here on the clutch side with these aftermarket bars, we have this clutch lever sitting really close to the housing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and loosen these 2 bolts to hold this thing together just so we can get it to move. Now we're going to install the housing and then tighten everything back up. And go ahead and slip the housing over the top here. As you can see, it moved right out of the way. Perfect. And we're going to take the bottom piece. Boom. There it goes. I'm going to slip it into place. I'm going to start our attaching screws, front and rear. Front first, back second. This one just 2? Yeah. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten our clutch perch back up, and this installation is complete. And there we go, chrome switch box housings in less than 3 minutes. Kuryakyn has done an awesome job to give us ease when it comes to chroming out the switch boxes.